Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prequel app. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Prequel. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.